Well, good morning, world. Another beautiful day in Hilton Head, South Carolina. Let's go float around the lazy river and then maybe go to the beach and get some sun, huh? Well, so much for my beach day. But luckily, Hilton Head has all sorts of amazing things to do on a rainy day just like this. So what do you say? Let's go take a look at the best of rainy day family adventures here on Hilton Head Island. All right, our first adventure on our rainy day excursion through beautiful Hilton Head Island is to right here at Chronic Golf. Now, Chronic Golf is on New Orleans Road, right over by our waterside resort. It's a great place to go. Come on, let's have some fun. Well, how it works here at Chronic Golf is pretty simple. You come on in and you actually rent your own bay. It's $49 for 1 hour. You've got a nice little couch, a little love seat, great place to sit, and you can play all sorts of amazing sports. And first off is golf. Wish me luck. Next up, football, specifically kicking the field goal. How about bocce ball? You can even pretend that you've gone to a carnival. Woohoo! Basketball in space, because let's face it, my basketball skills are just out of this world. You have 5 seconds left to shoot. Let's try pitching. I'm going to try my super secret, double secret forkball. That's the reason why I didn't make the big leagues. A zombie dodgeball. Oh, got one. Soccer. Oh! How about some lacrosse? It said I had a nice shot. Chronic Golf also has a full-service bar, and they make some fantastic bar food as well. Kyle, who's here 5 days a week, he makes an incredible old-fashioned. He also makes a great espresso martini. Cheers. Chronic Golf for you. Let's keep our rainy day adventure going, shall we? Our next stop is the Hilton Head Escape Room. They've got a whole bunch of rooms. They've got a take-in room. They've got a pirates room. They even have a room that's just about conspiracy theories. But there's a brand new room as well. It's the Beyond the Looking Glass room. Ooh. Let's see if we can get out of here alive. Come on, let's check it out. Let's go.
All these maps. They gotta go together somehow. Let's see here.
Buck, tell me how to get out. Tell me. You must know. Help! Ahoy, scallywags! We're in the pirates room. Look at this place. How do I get out of here? Oh, look at that. It's a big sign up there. That's a moon. 7 moons. We have sail material, a roll of burlap, sheep blanket, leather, laces, bananas. That is literally my shopping list at Kroger's. That is literally what that is. Oh no. I'm already nervous. We're in the Looking Glass themed room. It's brand new. It's like Alice, you know what I'm talking about. So let's see if we can get out of here. We're never getting out of here.
I don't even know what that means.
Hey! I made it out! I escaped! That was fun. I did it! It was all me. All me. I'm a genius. A genius, I tell you. Plaza Cinema is a locally owned and operated movie theater right here in Hilton Head, South Carolina. And Cosmopolitan Magazine said it was the coolest movie theater in South Carolina. They even have a wine and beer bar. It's incredible. This is a family-owned business. The owners, Lucy and Larry, they will even rent you your own theater. You can have a party here, bring a whole bunch of people and watch your own movie. You can even select your own movie. You can't beat it. It's amazing. Oh, and also, they've got these 2 adorable little dogs, Antoinette and Alistair, that are here most nights. And if you have a dog that's under 20 pounds and, you know, well-mannered, you can even bring your dog to the movie. Really? Oh, let's go watch a movie. Come on, let's go. Plaza Cinemas has these amazing chairs. Look at this. They're like recliner chairs like at your house. They're so comfortable. They'll actually deliver food right to your chair. And they have very understandably small portions of popcorn. You really should come. It's a lot of fun. Ow. Our next stop is the Sandbox Children's Museum. It's in Celebration Park, kind of right across the street from Waterside Resort. It's only $12 per person for 3 hours. Now, if you're active military or seniors, it's only $10. 3 hours for family fun? You can't beat it. This is their interactive biome display. This great sandbox here, and it's got actually an entire city here, but they give you this little ring, and with this little ring, you can make it rain or make it snow or even create a volcano if you really want to, because this is all sand you can dig into down here. Looks like the Pacific Northwest. No wonder it's so much rain. This is fun for everybody. I don't think the parents will ever leave this place right here. This is a lot of fun. And this is the castle. At the entrance of the castle, there's all these great costumes. You can dress up as whatever you like. Don't think this will fit. And they have this great light room. But look at that. Look how cool that is. This is a great little room. There's a slide. Can even play with your own Pinewood Derby cars. They even have a veterinary clinic. I'm going to take a ride on the Sandbox reading bus. It has all of my favorite books. The new dinosaur encyclopedia, and of course, the legendary Bad Kitty. It's a full-on cockpit simulator for a Gulfstream G550. Pretty cool, huh? I always wanted to be a pilot. And they have a fully stocked art room, too, for kids of all ages. You can do just about anything. Paint, stamps, watercolors, shells, all sorts of amazing stuff. Hi, I'm Eric, your Director of Fun, and I'm at the Sandbox Children's Museum.